F Pro Max.
BFFs for life.
Yes.
Are we gonna have a sleepover, like a friend sleepover?
Sure. But there's no pillow in between.
Why? Friends don't cuddle.
No, I don't. Tinimbog ka na, Era, tinawag mo daw. Wow, did you timbog me again?
No?
Somebody said, you timbog me and then...
Cancel mo, tapos what to us, ano?
We're going?
How was your meal? It looks nice though. Where did you go?
Bangko.
Bangkok?
Bangko de Coffee. I know. Do you know, guys, Christina? Yes.
Huh?
Someone is asking if I know Christina and